Hey guys, it's Jazzy. It's Vlogmas Day 2 and today we're going to go have some COVID safe fun and go see some Christmas lights at the zoo lights at Brookfield Zoo. Welcome back, babes, and hello if you are new. Before we get started, you guys know the drill. You have to like and comment and subscribe and share this video if you care, because we are on the road to what? 1K. So the great thing about the zoo was that everything was very regulated. Everyone had to wear a mask and stay 6 feet away. Look, even the lion has a mask on. Everyone was protected, and they were making everything super safe so that they wouldn't stop the spread of corona, even making sure only a certain amount of people were allowed in at a time. Of course, our first stop was the gift shop. Then we went to go grab some cocoa and off to see the lights. The lights were so pretty. Finally, at my favorite part, all the donated trees. In this entire lane, all these trees were donated by different organizations, groups, and families to a charity. They get to decorate the tree any way they want to, and the zoo shows them off. I used to do this all the time in grade school and in Girl Scouts. These are two of my favorites, the marble tree and the Nightmare Before Christmas tree. And finally, we got to go through this awesome tunnel with all these really pretty lights that were dancing to the music that was playing, and the entire time, Secret Tunnel was stuck in my boyfriend's head, and he did not let me forget it. But this was super fun. I absolutely enjoyed it, and I can't wait to do it again next year. That was so much fun. Day 2 of Vlogmas has been such a success, and I'm so glad you guys joined me for this fun adventure. We still have 8 more days to go for 12 days of Vlogmas. You want to stay tuned for our next video. In our next video, we are doing a Yule original character makeup that I designed, because Yule is a holiday that I do celebrate every single year to bring in the winter solstice, so I thought I'd share a piece of me with you guys. Make sure that you like, comment your favorite Christmas tradition that you love to do every single year, and subscribe so you don't miss a day of 12 days of Vlogmas. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!